Hi dear friends, myself Mr. Ram, I am HVC coach from India. Dear friends, today we are discuss about the VRV and VRF system technology, and we will understand about the difference between the VRV system and VRF system. So both of technology is similar, but we have to understand about the definition about the word of sentence. So about the VRV system is patented by the DAIKIN company especially, and VRF system is a common word used all air conditioning companies they are used around the world. So especially we have to understand about the what means of variable, because both of company use variable. VRV also use and VRF also use in the technology. So variable means vertical, you know. Then you are edit any picture, so you will move in here and there in like a horizontal and vertical way. So same like that. Your refrigeration volume means outdoor to supply your refrigerant gas into indoor unit, so you can move forward all your refrigerant gas in the vertical way, so you can understand this word. And second thing is the refrigerant, and volume means about the your refrigerant from the outdoor units which you are using in the section and discharge pipeline. So inside there is a capacity of the refrigerant, about the flow, about the movement. So this is a volume about the your refrigerant gas from coming outdoor to indoor going for the supply. So dear friends, first of things we have understand about the volume and flow. There is a both of word is a last word in the VRV and VRF. VRV variable refrigeration volume and VRF variable refrigeration flow. So what means of flow? So dear friends, it is a simple word. We have to understand very simple, because of that both of what is common. Flow means your refrigerant going through like that is your refrigerant flow. So vertical way your flow you can divide in multiple indoor units. Second thing is your refrigerant volume. Volume means your vertical your refrigerant volume vertical way you can divide in the your multiple indoor units. So it is a common word, so you can understand better. This is nothing different things. So what's the difference between the technology? VRV use different technology, VRF use different technology. So what's the difference between the VRV and VRF system? So first of all, we have to understand about the what means of uh, technology. Technology is similar, because of all air conditioning system provide cooling to us. So it is a depend on the capacity about the cooling, about the heat load. So it is depend on the project, which project need how. Suppose there is 4 HP starting for the from the 4 HP, 6 HP, 8 HP, 10 HP, 12 HP, 16 HP, 18 HP, 20 HP. So many more different company they are use different capacities. So especially for the VRV and VRF system technology, what they are used in the outdoor units and what they are used in the indoor units, it is a must very important to know. Then we can understand the difference between the VRV and VRF system. So it is very common, because of that in the outdoor units what you look there, you will look there, you will find there compressor. And which kind of compressor you will find there? You can find there is a scroll compressor, inverter compression, especially single stage, two stage, three stage, and it is depend on the system capacity. So especially for the all VRV and VRF all system they are use scroll compressor, inverter, and AC and DC both of things. So next thing, what's the difference between the condenser? I will show you some pictures so you can understand better. So all indoor units is a different companies make a different indoor units, only decoration panel and difference between the decoration panel and models designing like that is different, but especially we are use any indoor units for the uh, cooling, and for the indoor units and outdoor units we are used for the especially for the compressed or high pressure refrigerant gas. So there is a many of things is common, but especially I will show you something so you can understand better. So dear friends, about the technology is technology, all system they are used for vibrance to connect your refrigerant piping from indoor, outdoor, all refrigerant section and discharge. You are connected by wire branch, so you can find there is a VRV. All company they are use wire branch, and nothing is the difference between the connect to refrigerant pipe for outdoor to indoor units. And second is must things about the piping they are all companies use about the uh, about the copper pipe is same size, we can use in the different according to cooling capacity, how much is in the system capacity, according to capacity we are use pipe, and they are all mentioned in the over drawing about the project, so we can understand better about that. And the second thing about the indoor units, we have different, and we are also use somewhere headers. You can know why we are use header, we have to understand why branch for the dividation, and header why we are use, because of that in future somewhere if we are increase any one and two indoor units, so we can connect with the headers. So some companies and some projects we are use, and about the especially for the VRV and VRF system, what we have in the system, we have compressor, we have accumulator, we have oil separator, we have heat exchanger, and we have electronic expansion valve, we have solenoid valve, we have condensing fan, we have also for the sensor for the fins, also for the section and discharge, low pressure switch, high pressure switch. So all companies, not only the particular I'm saying, all companies they are use same things, all companies they are use same things, but for the operating system different control panel they are use, all companies different, and error codes and programming for the test operation, programming for the additional gas charge, programming for all things, there is a something is different little bit, but average everything is same. And in the indoor unit wiring, single phase for the 230 volt is common, all indoor units, somewhere is in the outdoor units 3 phase connection, all in outdoor units according to cooling capacity we are use, and somewhere is suppose in the outdoor units for the transmission wiring and communication wiring, some words is different, like some DAIKIN company use F1 F2, and some other company use M1 M2 S1 S2 whatever, but we have two difference is major difference about the programming of error codes and the control panel PCB, and model different decoration panel for the indoor units, outdoor units panels, there is something is different, but technology everything is common. So dear friends, I think so you can understand now about the difference between the VRV and VRF system, there is a common something difference, but technology is the similar. So dear friends, my next video is about the VRV and VRF system, all company what they are used for the wiring system, and about the test operation, about the commissioning, about the addressing, and all about the troubleshooting. So dear friends, one by one in my next video I will maybe 5 companies VRV and VRF system I will include, and I will explain you one by one from installation to commissioning. So you will watch my next video so you can understand better. So dear friends, if you want to learn about much more about the VRV and VRF technology, so you can join my trainings, and also you can learn much more. So dear friends, watch continue to my next video about the VRV and VRF system. So dear friends, thank you very much, and please, if you are new in my channel and you are not subscribed now, then so you can please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.